Hi, I am Chandu Dissanayake and my student ID is here you can see BSCP CS63127. So first I would like to describe the purpose of doing this video. This video recording is for covering the task HD1. Then it is required to create a YouTube API and then analyze the data relevant to some keywords. So let's see how I create the YouTube API. So this is console.cloud.google.com. So here this is my project HD1 data science. So I'm going to API and services credentials. So here this is my API key, enabled API services. So here you can see YouTube data API version 3. Okay, then this is the HD1 and Python file. So it is about analyzing YouTube video data from news publishers. Here there is a tutorial video about sentiments in Python using text blob. So simply sentiments means positive or negative feedback of customers about the organization or something else. So it can be neutral also. So this is the tutorial about it. So then choose only one question. Okay, so copy your settings from section B of the collect.pynb file below as Python comments. So I copied this part from collect.ipynb file. So then this part is for importing libraries and other stuff. So here pandas library cban and matplot library is imported. Clean and prepare the data. So write Python code that prepares the data for analyzing the videos and comments. Here load the videos and comments data frames from their respective CSV files. So these are the file names. Those two CSV files retrieved from YouTube API. So it load to this data frame. So then write Python code that takes a text input and returns its sentiment, that means polarity, score and sentiment category. Category means positive, negative or neutral. So here if pandas is null, text return neutral. So else polarity greater than 0, it is positive. Polarity less than 0, it is negative or neutral. What is the monthly distribution of the positive, negative and neutral sentiments in the video titles and comments from 2020 January to 2021 January? Use visualization to answer this question for different news publishers or channels and discuss your observations. Okay, so again I import the libraries that I want. So first load the data. I load videos.csv file as videos df means data frame. So comments.csv as comments.df, comments underscore df. So then extract year and month from published at and comment date columns. So this is the variable we took the videos.csv. So pd2 date time, videos data frame, videos df, published at. We convert it to date time then as this. In here we define the start and end date for data analysis. So this is the start date and this is the end date. Then we filter the data. So after that, apply the get sentiment function to the video titles to get the sentiment. So after that, apply the get sentiment function to the comments to get the sentiment. Those are the two facts that we get sentiments: video titles and comments. So after that, we plot the outcome in a to visualize the data. So PLT figure, here we assign the figure size, and Seaborn count plot. X-axis means year month, then hue means title sentiment, data equal videos filtered, and palette means cool warm. So I use cool warm to it is so catchy, and so then PLT X label year month, PLT Y label count, PLT legend title sentiment, then PLT show. After that, another plot. In it, x-axis means year month, then hue means comment sentiment, then data comments filtered, palette same as previous, cool warm. So in here the title is monthly distribution of sentiments in comments, 2020 January to 2021 January. X label means year month, Y label means count, and then legend is sentiment, then PLT show to output the plot. So after this code and I executed that, so I received this like plot first and this like plot second. So this is about monthly distribution of sentiments in video titles. So count year month, then light blue color means neutral, gray color means positive, and the maroon color means negative. So here light blue color means negative, gray color means neutral, and maroon color means positive. So observation 1: when considering about monthly distribution of sentiments in video titles from January 2020 to January 2021, okay, count of neutral sentiments is higher than positive and negative sentiments in every month throughout the year. Count of neutral sentiments is higher than positive and negative sentiments. Here you can see in every month count of neutral sentiments are higher than others, that means positive and negative. So here you can see. So at a glance, count of all the positive, negative, and neutral sentiments are higher in March 2020. All the count of sentiments are higher in March, that means 2020, third month, that means March. So then in January of both 2020 and 2021 and September 2020, there are only neutral sentiments. In here you can see there are only neutral sentiments here. Apart from 2 months, 2 months are October and August, both are from 2020. All the other months possess equal or higher number of positive sentiments than number of negative sentiments. All the other months possess equal or higher number of positive sentiments. apart from 2 months. This is one, this is the other. All other positive count of positive sentiments are higher than the negative, the count of negative sentiments. So then observation second means observation for monthly distribution of sentiments in comments. So when considering about monthly distribution of sentiments in comments from January 2020 to January 2021, count of neutral sentiments are always higher than the count of negative sentiments. Count of neutral sentiments, neutral means the color gray, is always higher than the count of negative sentiments. That means negative means color light blue. So you can see here always the count of neutral sentiments are higher than the negative sentiments. Similar to the monthly distribution of sentiments in video titles, month March in 2020 has the highest interactions, so highest number of all the neutral, positive and negative sentiments. This is the month March 2020, third month, that means March. It has the highest interactions, you can see here. Month February has the least number of interactions, or least number of all the neutral, positive and negative sentiments. You can see here least interaction is for month February in 2020. So that is the task. And when considering about the challenges I faced in this task was mainly about the sentiments. So I overcame this that challenge by this tutorial. So I learned about sentiments in Python using this tutorial, and I overcame this that challenge. Then I completed this task successfully. So that's it. Thank you.